Here I have Xiaomi Redmi S2 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select the settings. Then here you need to choose the wallpaper, it's under personal tab. And now you can use the local photos, so you can use your albums. Let's tap just allow. As you can see, in my case there is no photos, but you can use all kinds of your photos or even the videos. You can also use the recently used pictures, or you can use some pre-installed wallpapers. Here I have the set of the wallpapers. Let me use, for example, the following one. Tap apply, and you have to decide either you would like to use this wallpaper on lock screen or home screen, or you can use set on both screens. In my case, let me just use on lock screen. As you can see right now, if I lock my device, I can see the new wallpaper. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.